All right, here we are, back in the shop. Customer brought a John Deere price point mower. That's we call those yellow deck ones, and had a pulley problem on it, and he didn't know exactly what was wrong with it, and he called me, asked me if I could fix it, and I said, man, I don't know till I see it. Started dissecting it and found the issue and everything, and got it hooked up. Got a few steel shots in there. I'm gonna show you what I started with, and we'll go from there. Cue the cheesy intro. Okay, the pulley in question is this guy. And you see it's wobbly. So with that in mind, this pulley, this whole deck, they wanted like $600 from the dealer to replace this whole deck. This pulley wore out at some point during its life and ran into issues. The little piece I was telling you about, this machine, has this shoulder. It's got a cap down there. And then this is where this inner race of this bearing rides. And this is the stud. The stud was, stand by. Okay, this little stud was on here like so, all one piece. See what I'm saying? And then that happened, and then whatever. So I was looking at it, and I was thinking about, I ordered another pulley, $20-something from my guy, and we go from there. I was thinking about putting a stud on top of that. That was not, didn't have a hole drilled in it at the time. Put a stud on it, do some welding, blah, blah. And I said, well, hey, maybe that piece isn't hardened. So I ground off the stud, found center, punched it, and drilled it to fit a 3/8 bolt. There's no load on the threaded portion other than holding the pulley down. So I was like, hey man, you know, maybe we drill a hole in it, put the pulley back on, the new one of course, drop a bolt down through it, take a nylock and come up from the bottom, bolt it on, and then he's back in the game. Is it the proper fix? Probably not. Maybe, I don't know. Versus the $600 full replacement cost. Am I telling you to do that? No, but it seems like a good idea to me right now, and that's what I'm doing. Blow me up in the comment blocks, whatever you want to do, that's fine. Use this information if you want to, that's fine. But like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Mo, damn it. Tire Creek Iron Works out.